The introduction of the Kami story. A long, long time ago, this land was made by Izanagi and Izanami. Later, Izanami gave rise to a lot of kami, Japanese deities. Unfortunately, Izanami died when she had the kami of the fire, and she went to the death world, Yomi no Kuni. Izanagi tried to meet her again in Yomi no Kuni to get her back, but he couldn't. And when he returned from Yomi no Kuni, he did misogi, washing his body in the water. With the misogi, many kami appeared. When Izanagi washed his left eye, the kami of the sun, Amaterasu, appeared. When he washed his right eye, the kami of the moon, Tsukuyomi, appeared. When he washed his nose, Sano appeared. Izanagi was so glad. How grateful.
誠にありがたい。
Izanagi ordered Amaterasu to rule the kami world. And he ordered Sano to rule the ocean. Sano couldn't stop crying all day long because he missed his mother so much. Boo-hoo! I want to see my mother! Sano's tantrums devastated the rice farms and houses of Amaterasu's domain. Amaterasu was so shocked with her brother's rough behavior, and she ended up shutting herself in the cave, Ama no Iwaya, to hide away. So the world became really dark, because the kami of the sun, Amaterasu, was hiding. The other kami panicked and assembled by the riverside. They discussed how they can make Amaterasu come out from Ama no Iwaya. The rocky door Iwato was too heavy to move, and Amaterasu ignored our calls. What should we do? Oh yeah, let's hold a feast. Amaterasu would get curious about what was outside and peek out, opening the heavy door. Then Tajikara camp out Amaterasu outside. Today's feast is so fun! Outside sounds so fun. Why is that? Tajikara, now! Okay, leave it to me. Then the sunshine came back to the world, and the mountain and river were able to shine with light again.